Today I'm making breakfast from some stuff that I found in the garden. You have zucchini flower. You have some wild prickly lettuce, which I just found out is the closest relative to cultivated lettuce. One little cherry tomato that I just chopped up. And that's it. After this is all nice and fried up and warmed up, I'm going to take some leftover tomato soup, pour it in there, and then crack a few eggs into the soup, cover it up, and then let that cook. This is kind of an Italian dish that my grandpa would always cook for me, just eggs and sauce. He doesn't like the eggs runny, but I do. Because when the eggs are runny and you break the eggs and it combines with the sauce, it's freaking delicious. But yeah, the first thing I'm going to do is just fry up all the stuff I got from the garden. And then we'll continue. Alright, the garden stuff's been frying for a little bit, and I don't want to fry too much because it's pretty delicate. So I'm just going to add the sauce now and bring that up to a boil. Alright, the sauce is boiling. I cracked the eggs in. I fucked up and cracked that one too much, but that's okay. And yeah, that's basically what the dish looks like. So you just cook it until the eggs are nice and soft and cooked and the whites are actually all cooked. Then you just pull it off and enjoy. Sometimes we eat it with bread. Sometimes we just slurp it all up just the way you see it. But it's easy, delicious, and it's pretty healthy. Again, sorry about the lighting. We're just finished renovating. I don't got my studio lighting set up. It's just whatever I got. Alright, that's just about done. So in about 2 minutes I'm going to take these off and I'm just going to enjoy them right in the pan because who wants to do dishes? Not this guy.